Yeah, it's your boy Reggae again. Dropping another one, like, share, subscribe. Drop the flags. Drop your flags in the comment section. Wherever you located, drop the flags in your city. Your state, whatever. If you're here in the United States, drop your state. If you're abroad, drop your country and your city that you're from. Okay, yo, if you hear any noise, it's my neighbors, you know what I mean? I'm here in my mom's basement trying to do my thing, trying to get my feet off of the ground. Hopefully we can get out of the basement one day. But in this next video, ladies, gentlemen, we have to be careful. I don't know, like this time, this era we're in, it's a bit crazy. Check it out.
Yeah, bitch. You playing with me, bitch. No, playing with me. That's what I'm saying, bitch.
What did the car do to her? Like, who's playing with her? It has to be some type of relationship type of thing, because this chick's crazy. Big butcher knife, bro. And the sad part is she's recording herself. Like, why are you recording yourself doing crimes? It's not wise, love. It's not wise.
The nigga was just on my line last night saying I'm coming back home today. You coming?
He didn't get back yet. The N-word was on your line telling him you're going to come back today. Well, give him some time to come back home. I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm being, what is it, facetious? Her friend in the background casually strolling through the camera. Like, la 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 la. Let me text Susan and let her know what Shanae is doing right now. And why does she have the bonnet on her head, bro? Like, typical. I don't want to call her ratchet, but yo, typical I'm ready to fight attire, bro. Like, sand slippers, the bonnet. I don't know, man. Like, you can get yourself in trouble, love. Is it worth it?
Bitch, you know me supposed to be around me talking about the police.
Wait, is that? Trust me, her IQ ain't that sharp. It's probably like salt. It's not even sugar, bro. Yeah, she thought it through. Yo, ladies, what are we doing?
Bitch, come. So we both can go. All three of us go.
Ladies, what's the craziest thing you've ever done to a guy, like, because of your relationship wasn't going the way you wanted? Leave a comment or something.
Yeah, bitch. You playing with me, bitch.
Crazy. Crazy. Ah, man.